Hello friends and welcome on my channel. In today's video I'm going to share one of my breakfast recipe which my son also enjoys a lot and loves to eat it on his own. So let's start. If you're new on my channel, I'm Vidya. I make videos on parenting and kid-friendly food. If you like my channel, then please do subscribe to it and do hit the notification bell. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at @momIamhome. So let's begin. For this we need very few ingredients. First, some curry leaves, then a medium sized onion which I chopped roughly, then some haldi or turmeric powder, jeera, cumin seeds, then around 6 to 7 slices of bread, then some curd, and around 1 cup of peas and corns which I boiled in little salted water. Salt to taste, and then cooking oil. So here I am taking a large kadai so that in this I can mix the ingredients well, and I am putting around 6 teaspoons of oil. Let it heat, then splutter about half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, and then add a handful of curry leaves. Let it splutter, then add the chopped onions. You can see I haven't chopped it too fine, just cut them into big slices. Stir them all together and cook till the onions are pink and translucent. Then add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it and salt according to taste. Again mix them well and cook it a little. To it then add the boiled corn and peas. Just separate it from the water which you used for boiling. Mix it again, and then I'm gonna add the bread pieces. Just crumble them roughly with your hands. No need to make them into too fine crumbs. Let there be big pieces of bread. Then mix it till it is evenly mixed with the masala. There's no need to add salt further because the bread itself is salted. Over it then add 5 teaspoons of thick sour curd. Then just spread it gently over the poha. With the help of spoon you can just remove the bread which is sticking to the bottom. Then you can garnish it with some chopped coriander and then serve it. So that is it friends. If you like this recipe then do hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends and relatives, and do give me your suggestions in the comment section below. And if you want to watch similar videos on kid friendly food, parenting and kids activities, their links are given here. They are also given in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.